Hey there, health enthusiasts! Ready to whip up something tasty and nutritious? Today, I've got the perfect recipe for you, Mediterranean Quinoa Bowl. This dish is light, refreshing, and packed with bold Mediterranean flavors. Plus, it's gluten-free and protein-rich. Perfect for meal prep or a quick lunch. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 cup cooked quinoa, cooled 1/2 cup cherry tomatoes, halved 1/4 cup sun-dried tomatoes, chopped 1/4 cup Kalamata olives, sliced 1/4 cup crumbled feta cheese, 1/4 red onion, thinly sliced 1/2 cucumber, diced 1/4 cup fresh parsley or basil, chopped, and 2 tablespoons of toasted pine nuts if you like. Now for our zesty lemon dressing. In a small bowl, whisk together 3 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, 1 minced garlic clove, 1/2 teaspoon dried oregano, and salt and pepper to taste. Alright, time to assemble. In a large bowl, combine your cooked quinoa, cherry tomatoes, sun-dried tomatoes, olives, red onion, cucumber, and feta cheese. Pour the dressing over the salad and toss until everything is well combined. Garnish with fresh parsley and those optional toasted pine nuts for a little extra crunch. And there you have it. Serve immediately or refrigerate for up to 3 days. It's that simple. Pro tip: add some avocado for creaminess, or top with grilled chicken or shrimp for extra protein. And to make it vegan, just skip the feta or use dairy-free cheese. Trust me, the bright colors and fresh ingredients will pop on camera, making this the perfect addition to your healthy recipe collection. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this recipe and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious healthy eats. Catch you in the next video.